Hello, good day. Angelo Santos here, and today I will show you how you can link this button all the way up to this block here. So, without further ado, let's just do that. And in order for you to link the block on this button, you need first to publish your page on either subdomain or your custom domain. So, we need to get this link here, this link, in order for us to connect our button to that specific block. So I will just leave it here and just go back on this side. And now I will go to the this specific block here. Okay, well, just minimize this menu. So I am now on the block section on this like book service or what it is. So I will click on the block section and I will click this pencil icon. You will see that there is custom attributes on this block. So I will just rename it, or just this is the code that you need to add on the button, but you can also rename it to what name you want, like for example book dash service. Right, so this will be our name to this block, book dash service. Okay, so if I close that and just open it again just to see it is changed. So this is book dash service. So very good at the black section. Now let's go back to the button we have here and let's click this pencil icon. Go to the configure tab, and as you can see, this is not linked to any other link. So let's just click the link to, and let's select the URL. So which means the URL I have here. So I prepared this link here. This is also already published on my subdomain. So I will just copy this by Control C or Control Copy, or you can just right click and copy this and just paste it here. I did put the Control V to paste my code here, and I will add hashtag and the name of the block, which is book dash service. All right. So what I add here is the link on my subdomain, which is on the index page, and add the hashtag book dash service, and I will just hit update. Okay. So not now that it has been updated, let's go back on the block on the button and just check it if it actually set the configuration, and yes. So let's just publish it. So let's try to do this if this works. So I will now publish it. Okay, so the site has been in progress. So let's just click on this link here. Just wait for this loading to stop, and also this X mark button here will also change. Ta-ta, let's just wait for this one. Okay, so I will just reload this one time again just to update the configurations we have set. Okay, so I just reload it once again. So let's just wait again for this X mark to get on change on the reload. Okay, so now as I hover here and I click this button, you will see that it will go here on this specific block, and this is now the URL. So we added the hashtag book dash service. If we hover on this button here, you will see that there will be a somewhat link here that will proceed to that specific area. So that's how you can link your button to a block on the same site on GroovePages. And I hope that helps. All right. Have a great day, everyone.